Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a butterfly on a dog's nose. So here you can see that I'm using my pencil to draw the dog. Here's its long tail. The dog's mouth is open. This is its ear and tiny eye. Here's the dog's tongue. And this is another leg. Another one. And here's its belly. It should have another leg, and here it is. Now let's draw the butterfly. Okay, my drawing is done. Now let's do the outline. Here you can see that to do the outline, I'm using my black pen. Let's clean all the extra pencil marks. I'm starting the coloring with the butterfly and I'm using my orange color. Inside it, I'm using yellow color. A little bit of brown color. I have to use my black pen again because there's something left. Now for the dog, I'm starting the coloring with brown color. In its tongue, I'm using red color. Red highlighter is not looking good here, so I'm using my red color pen again. And for the rest of its body, I'm using my pencil because it will create a nice gray color. Let's clean all the extra pencil marks. Wow! Now it's looking really great. Thank you so much for watching.